In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a QuickBooks Online invoice so that it does not show line item detail. Whether you're looking to simplify your invoices for clients or just aim for a cleaner look, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to be logged into your QuickBooks Online account, so click on the Sign In button. Now select QuickBooks Online from the list of options. At this point, you'll enter your credentials. Make sure to type in your username and password carefully before clicking Continue. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings option. You can find this by looking for the gear icon at the top right hand corner of your dashboard. This is your gateway to a range of customization options inside QuickBooks. Click on Settings and look for Custom Form Styles. This is where you can start fine-tuning the appearance of your invoices. Under Custom Form Styles, it's time to create a new style. Hit the New Style button, a set of options will unfold, and from these select Invoice. You now have the canvas where you'll be making changes specific to your invoice designs. The main section you'll want to focus on is Content. Click on it to start modifying the layout details. Now direct your attention to the second part of the invoice. This part of the invoice typically displays the detailed line items, which we'll adjust next. You'll want to begin by unchecking certain boxes to remove the detailed elements. First, find the checkbox for product or service and uncheck it. This will take out the specific product or service names from appearing line by line on the client's invoice. Next, uncheck the box for description. This step will eliminate any text or additional information that accompanies each line item, keeping the invoice straightforward and without unnecessary details cluttering the page. Proceed to uncheck the box for quantity. Removing this will ensure the quantity of each item isn't displayed, so your client will only see the essentials needed for payment without the intricacies of item amounts. Similarly, uncheck the checkbox for rate. By doing this, clients will not see the unit price of each item or service. This helps maintain a focus on the total amount due rather than the calculations that arrive at that sum. Finally, make sure to save your updated invoice style by clicking Done. Your customized invoice is now completed and ready to go. You've successfully tailored your QuickBooks Online invoice to exclude line item details. Each step has brought you closer to creating a cleaner, more streamlined financial document for your clients. Thank you for following along. We hope this makes your invoicing process both efficient and effective.